Welcome to eP2P Application User Tutorial Guide. In this tutorial, the user will be guided on how to apply travel request. First, navigate to eForm tab and click on Travel Request Form. Then, users key in the date from and date to of their travel. Once done, the following screen will appear. The user will need to fill up the form with the required details. Travel request only valid for travel 60 kilometers and above. Users can enter their departure and arrival details, as well as their travel transportation. Leave taken is a mandatory section. Users are required to fill this section if they take leave before, in between, or after travel date. They must tick none if no leave was taken. User also can record their accommodation info in the form. User can put their cash advances info in the form. Uploading related document are mandatory when adding cash advances information. After that, user click on the next button to go to the next page. Preview form is displayed for user to review the details they key in before submitting. Users need to click on the next button to submit travel request form. Once complete, a notification will pop up showing that the application is successfully submitted. The request will then be forwarded to user superior for recommendation. Thank you.